Every day, educators do everything in their power and capability to teach students, whether it be math, language, culture, etc. A study back in 2015 shows that the relationships between teachers and students can affect a child's social and emotional development, thus affecting their academic success. One of the things that students rate their educators on is their teaching style. They could either be strict or easygoing. Regardless of this, it all depends on whether the students actually understand what their educators are talking about. This is why modules, books, and other educational documents were created. And bringing all of these for each and every student is quite a predicament for some educators. According to various searches online, the most number of students in a classroom exceed 20, even going up to 60 to 80 in some public schools. To counter this, the researchers will innovate a tray robot that can carry various things for our educators. For example, books, modules, questionnaires, etc. Its outer parts include the tray, the sensor, and the wheels. Inside are its battery and the microcomputer Arduino Uno. The researchers will also incorporate various technologies such as advanced obstacle avoidance in order for the robot to navigate in unstructured and unfamiliar environments with ease. The aim of this study is to create an intelligent tray robot capable of carrying documents for our educators.